all my brides to be out there. Here's a special video for you. I'm sure you are already on the run for the perfect outfit and jewelry. But have you thought about your bridal beauty kit? If the answer is no, then I am here to help. Hi guys, मैं हूँ अंकिता और आज मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ how to build a bridal beauty kit. वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले आप मेरा एक छोटा काम कीजिए. एक तो हमारे चैनल बी ब्यूटीफुल को सब्सक्राइब करें and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. The first product in your bridal beauty kit has to be your primer. This is the one I recommend. It's the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. अगर आप चाहते हो, which I'm sure, कि आपका मेकअप लंबे समय तक बना रहे, तो primer is a must. It will instantly blur skin imperfections, minimize appearance of pores, and keep your skin matte all day. Since you have to put your best face forward for all post-wedding ceremonies, a foundation is a must. The Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation is your best bet. Always opt for a mattifying formula, especially if you have oily and acne-prone skin. It has a buildable coverage with a wide selection of shades and blends effortlessly. The next product you need is a concealer. You obviously don't want your dark circles that you have probably earned from all the late night pre-wedding planning to show up on your face, right? The Lakme Absolute White Intense Liquid Concealer will hide all your skin imperfection, brightens the complexion, and will protect your skin from sun damage thanks to SPF 25. Now to set your base, you need loose powder ताकि आपकी मेहनत पे पानी ना फिरे. This is the one I recommend. It's the
Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Finishing Powder.
This will make sure your base is smudge-proof while ensuring a smooth finish. A blushing newlywed is a lovely sight to behold. So you obviously can't do without a blusher. Brighten up your look with this blush, the Lakme 9 to 5 Pure Rouge Blusher in the shade Peach Affair. It has a natural and glowy finish that will enhance your cheeks. The next product is Kajal. My go-to Kajal has been this one right here.
It's the Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Gel Kajal,
which is enriched with natural pigments that deliver a velvety matte finish. Post-wedding calls for a lot of meet and greet sessions, which means a different eye look every time. Lakme Absolute Infinity Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Midnight Magic. An all-in-one eyeshadow palette like this has shades ranging from nudes and vibrant hues. It has a mix of 12 matte and shimmery shades, जो काफी versatile है, which means कि आप बहुत सारे eye looks create कर पाओगे using this one eyeshadow palette. The next product is a mascara, and I recommend this one right here. It's the Lakme Absolute Flutter Sequins Dramatic Eyes Mascara. क्योंकि brides को नींद हमेशा कम ही मिलती है, इसलिए always opt for waterproof formulation as you don't want to look like a panda with streaks of mascara running down your face should there be any crying. Highly pigmented, will add volume and length to your lashes. This one will make your eyelashes flutter like no other. A good lipstick is a must as it can transform your entire look in a matter of seconds. जैसे कि एक red lipstick like this one, the Lakme Absolute Precision Lip Paint in the shade Statement Red. But I suggest that you stock up on a few basic shades that are long-lasting, matte, and have an intense color payoff. A nude lipstick like this one and a pink lipstick like this one. ये shades आपके सारे outfits को match करेंगी. Next are some nail paints. Here are my suggestions. The Lakme Absolute Gel Stylist Nail Color in the shade Fireside and the Lakme Absolute Gel Stylist Nail Color in the shade Pink Drama. A good nail paint will ensure that your hands look beautiful while meeting the relatives. मैं suggest करूँगी कि आप basic colors को stock up करें. These nail paints give your nails a gel-like glossy finish. In fact, check out their entire Gel Stylist range if you are into gel nail paints. अब मैं कुछ hair care products भी suggest करने वाली हूँ that you can include in your bridal beauty kit. The first product is a shampoo and conditioner duo. This is the Love Beauty and Planet Natural Murumuru Butter and Rose Shine Shampoo and Conditioner Combo. Constant heat styling and use of hair styling products during the wedding will take a toll on your hair. इसलिए मैं रेकमेंड करूंगी कि आप एक ऐसा शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर डुओ में इन्वेस्ट करें that will revive dull, lifeless and damaged hair. It has Amazonian murumuru butter, ethically sourced Bulgarian roses and nourishing coconut oil. This shampoo and conditioner duo will moisturize your hair and add a whole lot of shine. Abusing heat styling products and chemical treatments will weaken the hair shafts, causing the cuticle to open up, making the hair swell over time. This will end up creating a whole lot of frizz. Hence, always have a hair serum in your kit. This is the one I like. It's the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Hair Serum. इसमें है keratin that will fix the frizz by binding the cuticles together for a smooth, shiny texture. For a bit of an added TLC for your hair, treat yourself with an at-home keratin treatment using the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Deep Smoothing Mask, which is filled with the goodness of marula oil, which will nourish your hair for instant supple softness. Coming to the next product that you need in your kit is a heat protectant spray. The Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protection Spray. पार्टीज, गेट टुगेदर्स में आप आपके बालों को स्टाइल तो जरूर करोगे, लेकिन हीट प्रोटेक्टेंट लगाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें, as it will act as a barrier between the heat styling tool and your hair. Look out for heat protectants that have keratin in it, like this one. It will obviously protect your hair from the heat and boost shine. The last product is a hairspray to add finishing touches to your hairstyle so that it stays put. The TG Bedhead Hard Head Hairspray. This has ingredients which will hold your hairstyle in place for hours. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. Make sure to incorporate these products in your bridal beauty kit. जाने से पहले इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें and subscribe to Be Beautiful and लगे हाथ ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos.